Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my second Halloween makeup video. The first one I did was the Corpse Bride, which was a little scary but still on the kind of pretty cute side. Today, however, is going to be a very much less scary look. Today we're going to be doing a glittery fairy look. So as you can see, I already have my fairy outfit. It's just a pink floral dress, and I'm going to be adding some accessories on later, but first we have to get on with our face. So I've already done my base, which is just my normal foundation and powder. From here I'm going to start adding on more color to make a ethereal look. Okay, let's get started. So like I said before, I already have my base done, so we're going to go straight into contouring. Now this time, to create a otherworldly kind of look, we're not going to be contouring with normal browns. So hopefully with my contour, what I'm going to aim for is kind of a pink, purple and possibly green contour. But first we're going to lay down the pink. So for the contour, I'm going to first start with my cheekbones, and I'm just going to go in with a normal blush. So I'm just going to get the first two lighter pink shades onto a brush. And normally, obviously, with blush, you would put it higher up, but we're going to be using this as contour, so you want to put it where you would normally contour, which is a strange feeling, I think. While we have the pink on the brush, I'm just going to take a little bit more. And we want to give this fairy a little bit of a cute look. So I'm going to just put a little bit of blush along the bridge of my nose. And you can also put a little bit on the tip of your nose as well. It's like, oh, I got sunburn. Or like, achoo, I'm cold kind of look. So if we just kept the contour pink, I think it could look pretty normal, but we want to make it look ethereal. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of purple contour. On the same brush, this time I'm just taking a little bit of purple eyeshadow, and I'm going to be putting it more focused on kind of where you would put blush, I guess, just above the pink contour that we put down. I'm actually bringing it quite far up, close to my temples. So we just put the purple around here, just above the pink. And next, to add the final color of contour, I'm going to add a little bit of green where my temples are. Again, on the same brush, getting some green eyeshadow, kind of merging it with the purple and also bringing it up a little. I wanted to add green in because we're doing a fairy look, but I also want it to be a little bit of a natural kind of fairy look, and green is like nature, so. Ta-da! I have a green forehead now. As I did with the Corpse Bride look as well, I think I actually want to bring similar colors down onto my neck area. So while I have the green on my brush, I'm just going to put it on the sides of the middle of my neck. And then going in with the same purple again. Maybe I'll put some here. And then last, going in with the same blush that we used for the first part of our contour, and just putting a bit above the collarbone, maybe under as well. And then just getting a very big fluffy brush and kind of blending all that in. Okay, so for now the coloured contour is finished. So next, let's move on to our eyes. Now for the eyes, I want to focus on pinks and purples again, because those are the two main colours that we're using today. So I'm basically going to do like a smoky eye with pinks and purples. So first, just on a eyeshadow brush, I've taken a kind of light pearly pink colour, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And I'm just taking the same colour and putting a little on the lower lash line. And next I'm going to go in with a slightly more purple shadow and just create a little bit of depth. And also bringing it down a little as well. And then lastly, with an even darker, more pigmented pinky purpley colour, I'm just going to add it to the outer corners. And also on the bottom again. So this is what my eyeshadow looks like now. Now I'm going to do eyeliner and mascara. I recommend using a brown eyeliner for this look. Maybe a pencil even, because it will give you a softer look. Unfortunately, I don't have a brown pencil eyeliner at the moment, so I'm going to be using a liquid liner, but it is brown. So I'm just going to do my eyeliner like I normally would. One trick with the eyeliner that I'm doing for this look is I want to make it look soft, so instead of flicking my eyeliner up or drawing it horizontally, I am drawing it a little bit down. So my eyeliner is drawn downwards, and doing so just gives you an overall more softer look. And then I'm just going in with some mascara. I'm using black mascara, but again, if you want to give this look or your eyes a softer feel to them, then you can use brown or maybe mauve colored mascara. Just to finish off our eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of gold eyeshadow and put that in the center of my lids. Like so. So now that we've finished our eyes, next onto our brows. So in my previous video, I did purple brows as well for the Corpse Bride look. That purple was a little dark and also a different shade of purple to my actual hair. For the Corpse Bride look, I think was okay because it was like an animated look, but this time I want to go for more of a natural brow. So I'm going to pick a color that is very close to my hair color and just fill in my brows as I normally would. So on an eyeshadow brush, again, I've just got a bit of a grey color, I feel like that might work, so I'm just going to brush that into my brows. And on top of that grey, I'm just adding a little bit of light purple. And brows are done. Next onto our lips. So for lips, I'm going to do a bit of a purple gradation lip. First, I'm going to go in with this purple lipstick. I'm just going to kind of try and do the outline of my lips. So we have like an outline, I'm just going to blend it. And then for the center, I'm taking a lilac kind of purple. I'm going to put that on and blend the two colors. And to add just a little bit more dimension to the lips, I'm going to take a pink shimmery shadow and put it just on the center of the lips. Like so. Now onto highlighter. So we do already have a lot of shimmery, glittery things going on, but I want to add a little bit extra highlighter just for the last step. So the highlighter that I'm using is the same one that I used for the Corpse Bride look. It is a whitish kind of purpley highlighter, which I think will go really nicely with this look because we're using lots of pinks and purples. So again, I'm just placing it where I normally would put highlighter, although this area is already highlighted. For a glittery fairy look, I feel like you can never have too much highlighter. And on my nose, above the lip, and on the chin. Again, take a little on a smaller brush and place it just under the brows. Maybe a little in the inner corners of the eyes as well. Okay, so this is the basic makeup finished, but I did say it is going to be a glittery fairy look. And although we are already pretty shimmery and shiny, we can always add more glitter. So first, I'm going to go in with some stickers like this. There's lots of different sizes, but we're just going to take some of the smaller ones and I'm going to place a few around my eyes. So I think first we'll start with just right under your eye in the middle. So I just put two little stickers just right under my eyes in the middle. Next, we're going to go in with one maybe just on the corner of our eyes or where your eyeliner finishes, like so. Then I'm also going to add another one, maybe just about where my eyebrows finish, near the tail of the brows. And maybe one more between these two, but also a little bit further out, like that. And although we are already quite shiny and sparkly, Still, I feel like we could use a little bit more glitter. So, last but not least, I'm going to be adding glitter to my face. So the glitter I'm going to be using looks like this. It's actually, again, not glitter for your face, it's nail glitter. If you're doing this at home, please use glitter that is sold to be put on your face. If you're going out with this look, you can fix the glitter on with face glitter glue or with eyelash glue. But if you don't necessarily need glitter to be fixed that strongly onto your face, then I recommend using Vaseline or some kind of makeup base or like a cream that has a sticky texture to it. I'm going to be using this. It's an Australian ointment cream. I just took some onto the back of my hand. As you can see, it's clear and it has a sticky texture to it. So I'm just going to add a bit of this onto areas of my face where I want to put glitter on. And just getting some of the glitter with my other finger and just placing it. Now the good thing about putting glitter on with ointments and not glue is that it's not stuck on permanently, so you can actually move it around a bit. Ta-da! So this is the final look. The accessory that I added was just a flower crown, this one. Same as the Corpse Bride one, I made myself. Actually, I was trying to make the Corpse Bride flower crown first, and then I ended up making this and I went over the top with it. Also, I really like the color scheme of it, so I decided to keep this one and do this look separately and then make the Corpse Bride crown again. As you can see, my hair is kind of covering the glittery parts, but I think it's nice how you can just see a little bit of the glitter coming through. It's not too much, but it's still a fun look. And it's kind of on like the pretty cute side, so if you don't want to be scary for Halloween, but you still want to be ethereal, I recommend this look. Other than the makeup, all you really need is a floral top or a floral dress and a flower crown. So you could also do this look for festivals as well, because it's really shiny, shimmery, glittery. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. If you try to recreate this look, please let me know. I would love to see it. There will also be one last Halloween look coming very soon. If you're interested, please keep an eye out for that, and hopefully see you on the next one. Again, happy Halloween! Bye!